We're leaving the Nescovich house and we are getting ready in the big van to pick up Marco. Cheers! Picking up Marco. Ready to go? We have a surprise for you. See?
Very nice, very
made
nice.
you a bed. First class trip.
The woman you were talking about, look, is going home.
Just arrived to sleep. And now packing. We are all set to go. Waiting on Marco. Now he went to do some other shoot, pick a dump or something. Seems like we are ready to go.
Yes.
Ready? Let's go! First lift of the day. We didn't even start and we are at the snow war. Ah! Dude, my jacket is open! You son of a bitch! Ski conditions far from ideal, but the snow is not that bad. Unfortunately, visibility is horrible. So the weather is getting still and better. We can almost see everything. So let's go. You look like Santa! So big!
Okay, see you guys. La la la. You're breaking too much! Yeah! The best the best is his face. Woo!
End of the day, last slope. That's Marco. That's Ivan. Take it. Driving until we find the car. Snow is a little bit sticky. That's why I need to ride fast. Oh crap! We fall. We're almost there.
One more time, hey.
So, we're at the drunken karaoke, just finishing the day. Today, Ivan is there waiting for us, ready to go to the car. See you at the hotel. So back at the hotel, all nice and clean. We're now going to have dinner. As you can see, it's dark out. Nothing to see until tomorrow. See you. Good morning. So we are here at the Sunstar Alpine Hotel, which you will see now from the air. Okay, now that you've seen, we are going to have breakfast very quickly and go to the pistes. We'll see you in a moment. Again, Marco, this is the last one. Yeah. Getting the bags ready. Have you already bought your daily card?
Yeah.
Shit, we need to take care of that. You comfortable? Yes. Let's move! See, this guy wants to move. Watch out, loose. Watch out, now mate. The flying Italian. Woo! Here's Leo. Nice. Oh, you're okay. Come on, guys. Yeah. Woo! Marco is Instagramming himself. Look at him. This was crab something. Crab.
Crab something. 2 crab something.
Crab something. Here we go. So Leo is saying he's not a lucky guy.
No, I'm a lucky.
He's a lucky guy.
I'm a lucky guy.
So Ivan.
No? We can go this way as well.
And the visibility is crap. Ah, Pikachu! Everybody's packing for the car. That guy, I bet he does great things.